It's pretty hot out here. I think I better get my sunglasses. Hey everyone, it's Mike from Buffer. You probably know this already, but Buffer is a fully remote team. I'm based here in Sydney, Australia, and as you can see, it's an absolute cracker of a day. So I thought, why not do a little roundup of what we've been working on at Buffer from my backyard. So let's jump in. Starting off with Facebook Reels. This was a bit of a missing piece for us. We already had support for Instagram Reels, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts. Jose and Maya got to work on this one, and now you can schedule short form vids to all of those places, all from one place. Next up, we have Notes, which is a personal favorite of mine. So you can now leave notes on content inside of Buffer. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can use it to leave a little reminder for yourself to edit a post before it goes live, or you can use it to start a discussion with your team. Super simple. And hats off to Enveya, to Phil, and to Arik for building this one. Quick Navigator is a pretty cool little feature, especially if you're a shortcuts nerd. Full disclosure, I'm not. I'm more of a mouse guy, but apparently everyone else is loving it. So I will pass this one over to Martin, Mike, and Hamish to share a little bit more about it.
Yeah.
And then last but certainly not least, you can now try any new feature in Buffer by enrolling in our open beta program. It's as simple as just flicking a switch in your Buffer account, and that'll give you access to all new features so you can give feedback and all that fun stuff. A shout out to Gabby and to Mick and to Jacob for building that one. All right, I am starting to get a bit of a sweat up, so I might leave it here for now. If you have a sec, definitely leave a comment on the video. Let us know if you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'll try and come back next month with another update. All right, ciao for now.